Well, fall is here with the shorter days, that cool, crisp air we've been talking about the last week or so. It can be a challenge to keep ourselves healthy and happy with less daylight, but more to do.
Here's Terra Wellington from SimpleMomsGuide.com with a fall wellness checkup.
Fall can be a busy time of year. I'm Terra Wellington and I have some fall wellness tips to help. Many people experience muscle stiffness during the fall months, so if you're sore from raking leaves, look to Arnicare. It's made from the mountain daisy flower and comes in an unscented cream or gel. Allergies affect nearly 50 million people in the United States. Many don't consider our cars as an allergy trigger. To avoid pollutants, change your cabin air filter every 12,000 miles. Try the Bosch HEPA Premium Cabin Air Filters, which trap particles and dust. For inside your home, you can remove surface pollutants with your everyday home vacuum. You want to replace the vacuum bag and filter every 3 to 6 months. Arm & Hammer bags and filters are sold exclusively at Walmart and fit nearly all vacuum brands and models. Finally, maintaining nutritional needs is always important. Australian brand Swiss Wellness has these Ultivite multivitamins which give you over 50 quality ingredients, including vitamins, minerals, antioxidants, and herbs. For more tips, visit SimpleMomsGuide.com.